Hello, if you've got a wall or room that's freshly plastered, you are no doubt desperate to get it looking fabulous with the colour that took months of arguing to choose. This wall originally had a gas fire and flue, which we didn't need. So after blocking it up, we got the plasterer to give the whole wall a nice skim. Slapping emulsion straight out of the tin onto your plastered wall will undoubtedly end in disaster at some point down the line. First, give the area a light sand. Our plasterer is exceptional at his job, but no matter how good your plasterer is, there will probably be the odd small trowel mark or rough area. Quick tip, don't use standard sandpaper. Instead, use sanding mesh. We're using a 240 grit on this wall. It's great stuff, it doesn't clog and can be rinsed underwater to reuse. Next, give the area a brush and a vacuum. Right now, your plaster is incredibly porous. If you put emulsion onto it, the plaster will quickly suck all the water out of the paint mixture. The paint will dry too quickly, and when you come to overcoat, it will flake off as it has no key adhering it to the plaster. Make sure you use a white emulsion that allows to be watered down. Yes, there are some out there that don't allow it. As far as ratios go, some manufacturers' instructions might only say 10%, but for this job, you won't do any harm doing a 50-50 mix. I know, it sounds extreme, but trust me, to get that paint to properly sink in, it's definitely worth it. Oh, and please don't use anything that has the word vinyl in it. A decent trade tub of contract matte is what you're after. First, get your brush and do the edges. And then load up your roller to do the bulk of the wall. You'll notice how quickly it sinks in, so keep plenty of paint on the roller. It'll dry very fast too, allowing you to get a second coat on almost immediately. And this is how it looks now. Beautifully smooth and the perfect base to add your chosen colour top coat, which is more than can be said for the rest of the room. Yeah, work in progress.